Have you ever been confused about the difference between a macaron and a macaroon? Well, today I'm going to put to rest this long-standing debate. Hey guys, I'm Leanne and welcome to today's edition of Tasty and Informative. Today, I'm going to put to rest the long-standing debate between the difference of a macaron and a macaroon. Both desserts have very similar sounding names. Macaron is spelt with one O and macaroon is spelt with two O's. Both desserts start with the same basic recipe of egg whites and sugar, but it's the third ingredient and baking techniques that make them completely different. A macaroon's main ingredient is shredded coconut. It's sweet, dense, and deliciously chewy. And you can get them in dipped chocolate. On the other hand, French macaron is made with finely ground almonds folded into a meringue and baked into light and airy shells. These delicate shells are filled with a delicious and sweet filling like ganache, buttercream, or jam. So when you're ready to buy an expensive box of French macaron, you now know what to call them. It's macaron and not macaroon. Unless you're from the UK, in which case they call them both macaroons. But they don't know what they're talking about.